So it is secure. It won't come out, but it does move. So we'll leave it as it is right now, and I'll test the light output. The Morimoto ones that I had on my Tacoma fit very well. It was very easy to install, but I wasn't too happy with the light output. So I decided to go with the Baja Design this time. And we'll see how the light output is. But installation, it's a pain. It's very difficult. The brackets don't really fit as well. Okay, these are stock headlights. These are with fog lights. And these are just fog lights. Just headlights. Baja Design fog lights. And just fog lights. Okay, these are Baja Design fog lights. They're a bit brighter in real life than it is in the video. It kind of gets all over. These are low beams with Baja fog lights. That's without the fog lights, just the low beam. And high beam. I mean, the video does not do justice how bright these LED lights are.